Mr. Laing.
All about war.
The kids them want toys in the Christmas.
If you're a real warrior,
why you know foolishness about culture? $6 million. Not a penny less.
You push war by internet and then
put on the money where no more there.
Welcome to Laing Foota TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yes, man, welcome to Laing Foota TV. Big up on yourself. So give thanks to life, health, and strength. Give thanks to another day. Yeah, man, we're there on the journey to country. As I tell you, in the first previous vlog I did earlier, the one before this, I'm on my way to the countryside. See? Yeah, so we're training forward now the next train. You see me? Yeah, man. And just give thanks to life and big up everybody on the platform. So, man, I said, don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe and click the bell. This vlog now, Demarco say 6 million. You want 6 mil? See? As I say, now do not show, not chatting. You see me? Yeah. This is my train now. I'm gonna jump on it. And we have vlog on the go. See? Yes, I'm gonna have 6 million length. We don't know where to go. Viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe and click the bell. See? But me think them should have go easy, because I don't know. I'm not trying to build about the thing, you know. Laing try to Here what? You pay the bills. We are forward.
Man, I don't know how many British I may represent for World Star from the Christmas bus party, the 15th of December. People, get on the ticket, first come, first serve. Music by World Star Sound, alongside Players Choice Sound. Yeah, man, big up Orthodox, you know. Big up the World Star family, them. I don't know, the 15th of December, World Star family Christmas bus party. People, get on the ticket, you know what I mean?
Alright, yeah, man, welcome back. Do remember this vlog is sponsored by World Star family, one British. Yes, man, them have them bus rider forward the 15th of December. So yeah, man say, yo, 40 pounds for the ticket, roll out all inclusive. All you do just buy the ticket and come party. Free liquor, refill, food if you want to eat, consume, because you know you can't drink by hungry belly. Make sure the belly aligned, then you can beat the liquor. You can also bring your own liquor too. So if you love your Remy, your Henny, or your champagne or whatever, your rum, walk with your own liquor, but on the bus you can drink as you like. Then best behavior is a must. So now Demarco say you want 6 mil. 6 mil to do the show, you see me?
The next station is Rochester.
6 mil to do the show, you see me and say? Yeah, man, so I don't know. But here we go. I hear Demarco play back the live with Foota and Laing, and I hear Demarco saying at the background.
Because the man them use craft. If the other artists call you and say I'm ready for sting. Coyote tell us I'm ready for sting. All them are going to answer, call them.
$6 million.
I don't know. What me not call him back.
Make sure you have me 6 million. Not even a penny less.
No, but understand what I say. He must sell the narrative like say.
Mr. Laing.
All about war.
The kids them want toys in the Christmas.
If you're a real warrior,
why you know foolishness about culture? $6 million.
Which is
not a penny less.
You push war by internet and then
put on the money where no more there.
You know answer.
Jaja. Demarco says 6 mil. People, let me know, viewers and subscribers, if you don't agree with him. If you don't agree with him or not. As he made $6 million, he said it could have been more, but him agent never say him for go easy. That's why I not take no call. Like you don't. Demarco hat you know 6 mil. I don't know if that harsh or him could have got easier. I don't know what conversation they had, but let me know if you think him should have do it for the sake of, well, Foota say him for do it for the culture. Demarco say him now do it for no culture, but do it as a business. See, so if they now have the 6 mil for pay him, then I'm not chatting. Normally I don't charge more than that. So let me know if you think he should have go easy with Laing, you know, with Sting. I don't know. Me can't tell Demarco if you do. I tell a man if you price them job. You see me? I know Lion Foot, I'm a record, I love a chance still, man, Sting, you see? Yeah, but me would love to see the clash fully bad than Demarco, because, you know, they went at it. We know say Foota hyper push Coyote 100%. You see me? And really and truly the clash was with Fully Bad and Demarco. We don't know how Coyote or why Coyote drop in, but Foota ended the Coyote Demarco clash. He never did an enders. Fully bad. Demarco clash because we know some man fully bad no good. You see it? Yeah man, so boy, I tell you life in a star. We have to live good and share the food and you know. Demarco said, make sure you have your $6 million else is not taking your calls. You see me? If you're not say 6, no clash, no one do. You see me? The man say, man, make a daddy one post and say, if you're not say 6 mil, no clash, no one do. You see? So the fans let me know, look like says that now go on. So look like say the fully bad Demarco clash now go on unless Laing them fuck up the 6 mil. You see me? And that's the one thing we mash up Sting, you know, because you know the artists them in the previous years wasn't doing this thing because them said them now get the money where them ask for. And then you have to think of the culture, things and time hard. You see me I say? And I'm not talking on Laing them behalf. I'm talking on the patrons and the fans them. You see me? So I know Sting is a one night show, foundation show, make and break artists. You see me? The best clash you go on the Movado Cartel clash. We don't see nothing like that. You know, Sting never keep for several years until we say last year it come back with you know, Amari and Queenie. And and they got sponsorship and all of them things there. No, but in the music industry, all about politics and fight and you know. But with the artists them can go easy with and make Sting go on for the fans them. They can't do it man because them done rich already. See? That's just my opinion. You know, them done rich already, so can't go easy and just know. So yeah, what? A one night show we are do it, you know, but you have to meet certain standard and we could come to an agreement, you know. Don't roll out and say 10 mil, 15 mil. And that didn't mash up Sting, you know. I think Cartel was demanding a high price. Well, them said that too much, and you know, Bounty Killer them and several different artists did ask for a lot of money, and you know, so the Sting never keep and all of them things. You see me, but each to their own. You know, the man of pace. I love me saying, you know, please go and check out my EP. Welcome to Kingston. It's available on all digital platforms. I'm going to drop some visuals for the EP 2024. Zine. Yeah, man, and you know, I love, man. I love. Don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe, click the bell. Zine, and I don't know. I don't even know what else we say, but big up my fans them out there. Big up Jamaica. We say stop the crime. Jamaica say, please like and share the content. Oh yeah, the next thing. People will see me in the street and ask me if I still a post, so them not see no video. If you don't click the bell, you won't get the alert. I try my best to upload a video at least once a day. It's hard to do video and then you have to edit and all of them things there. You have to editing and you know, color grading and you see me? To make the thing look professional and you know what I mean? It takes time and then you have your name, you have my work for doing all of them things there. But I try my best to put out a video at least once a day. So the people who see me, it's getting annoying now. People who see me and I say ask me if I still a post so them not see nothing. If you subscribe, you have to click the bell so you get the alert. You see me I say your support is highly appreciated, man. You see it? A man of peace. Let's grow together in love and harmony. See it? Yeah man, if you want an interview, link me up. We can arrange it and you know. See the badge them there. If you want a badge, you don't know, just sponsor the channel a donation. And we have the badge them. And you see me? And we are lining up some merch now where you soon see the Lion Foot merch them. Where the fans them can get one, you know what I mean? And pay a donation for one. For every £1. You see me I say? Or you know, as long as you give back something. And nothing is free in life. Everything Lion Foot have to pay for. You see me I say? Yeah, so I don't know. You see it? Give and get given to. You know? And man of peace. Blessed love. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie. Go shies. Hey. Country ride. Nice. Remember, look out for the interview. I'm on my way to go and what a reasoning with the artist. Very prolific, promising artist, talented artist. So now I call the name. Just stay tuned. As I said, the reason I forward soon. Yeah, man. So the trainer run fast. Three, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man. I'm the man of peace. Sting. Reggae Sting. Yeah, man. Remember, Laing said every artist have to come with them a game. So big up the UK acts them. Big up Lady Danger, Sexy Danger. Big up Tina B. Big up Raga Rookie. And, you know, more UK acts could be added to the list. That's it. So, I don't know. It's a good look, man. I'm going to make use of this opportunity. See? Make use of the opportunity. It can be a life-changing moment. So when you go up and sing, go do your best. As we are Laing say, every artist will come with them A game. But here what? I'm gone. Cut me a cut now. Bye.
Who feels it now? Who feels it now? Enough nights we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you me shot a crowd. In a shame for time.